Morning everyone, it's Tuesday morning. I'm just leaving Broadley Farm. Helen's just checking out at reception, and it's been a nice stop, but we're about to head off, going to do a couple of pub stops for the next 3 or 4 days, working our way up. Going to go and try and find some standing stones and visit a few friends on the way. Just going to make a slow journey north. Speak to you later.
Turn right, Coombe House Lane.
Afternoon everybody, we've arrived at our stop for the evening. It's a Brit pub stop. As you can see, Ryan's parked up. It's just on the edge of the car park. It's quite a big car park. It's very quiet here at the moment. Wind's blowing, but we are at the Swans Nest at Exminster. You're within walking distance of the Exeter. Powderham Castle is only a few kilometres away. It's easily walking distance, but yeah, it's looking good. Swans Nest, looking very good. We're just walking along the edge of the Exeter ship canal. This canal was built in the boom period of the 1560s. Not your normal narrow canal at all, but for big ships to get up and avoid the tides and the turning tides of the Exeter. But yeah, it's 15 foot deep, it's 60 to 80 foot wide, and there's a lock at the bottom end where we're walking down to called Turf Lock. The canal was built into the estuary because the landowners wouldn't give up any land. Maybe they were holding out for a better price, but yeah, it's very calm now. So yeah, built 1560, I think updated in the 1860s. It's got a fabulous view. I think that's part of Powderham Castle in the distance at the end, just up on the edge of the hill. Went there a long time ago. But you've never been here before, have you?
I haven't, no. And I only grew up, what, 30 miles away?
Probably not even that far.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to travel when I came down to Dawlish, Warren. We used to walk to Powderham all the time. Now, I can remember that being there in, I think it was 1976, when they had the 200th anniversary recreation of the battle, and they had battles with the Roundheads and the Cavaliers, mock battles. Now the farmer has just give his cows, he's just drove into the field, there he is, and he's calling his cows. They were running earlier, and I must admit, oh, they've gone behind a tree. Let's hurry up a little bit. Oh, look at that. One of the funniest things in the world is seeing cows run. It's like, oh, come on ladies, let's go get some jogging done. They should be wearing, oh look, there's another one, I'm chasing you. Oh. No, love cows running.
And he hasn't been on the beer yet.
No, look, oh, look, the black one's coming. Oh, look, they're all coming out. Look, if you ever have a horse disease, maybe jockeys could ride cows. You can ride a cow? Yeah, but only in Devon.
No, Barbara Woodhouse used to ride cows.
Barbara Woodhouse was a mad woman. She used to talk to dogs and blow up their nose, though.
Yeah, and she used to take them over hurdles.
Okay, there you go. That's a minute's worth of cow running. Behind us is the Turf Hotel. It's been a pub since the 1830s when the locks were renewed, and as a staging point for the ferry that ploughed up and down the River Ex, that side. Canal, this side. You can just see a boat waiting to go into the lock, so there must be a fixed channel all the way down. But yeah, in the 1970s it was almost derelict because there's no road access, there's no parking for cars. But it was taken over and it's been run for the last 30 years by the same couple who are just about plying a trade. Maybe it was a little bit difficult last year. But what a wonderful setting. Got the river, got the canal, got a cycle path, you've got the railway.
He's got a yurt.
He has got a camping yurt. Glamping. But just further down you've got Dawlish Warren and the sandbar and the spit coming out. You can just make oh no, you can't quite make it out, it's a bit too far around the edge. But you got Powderham Castle, then Starcross, Dawlish Warren. But that on the hill has got to be a folly for the castle or part of it. But I think the main part of the castle is on the lowland in those trees there. That might just be a part of it there, just to the left of the black sign that's sticking up. But if you're ever out here, good pub stop. There may have been a few other, if you want to chance it, stops. We checked the car park at the end and there appear to be no restrictions on overnight parking. But a lovely walk. Just enough to build our appetite up, and we'll come back to you and let you know how the food and our meeting goes when we meet an old friend at the Swans Nest pub. Give me the bone. Give me the bone. Go on. Give it here.
Push it. No, don't try and bury it somewhere. Oh, it's a good girl.
So how did you find the food in the Swans Nest?
It was so delicious. It was really nice. I had a beetroot burger with brie and salad on top. It was gorgeous.
I had the very plain fish and chips, but it was very good. It seemed freshly made. The batter was good. Prices were about 11 quid per meal, so that's bang on the money. Service was good. It was fast. Beer's nice. Definitely well recommended for a pub stop.